5,000 years ago, in a culture far removed from modern technology, ancient builders somehow moved 30-ton stones across hundreds of miles and raised them into the iconic monument we know today, Stonehenge. But despite centuries of research, the question remains, how did they do it? Today, we're unraveling the mysteries of Stonehenge, one of the world's most famous prehistoric landmarks. Built around the same time as the Great Pyramids, this monument continues to baffle historians, archaeologists, and even astronomers. It all started 5,000 years ago, when early Europeans began constructing what are known as henges, a term coined by British Museum curator Thomas Kendrick in the early 1930s to describe ancient ceremonial monuments surrounded by circular ditches. While Stonehenge is the best known example, there are others like Avebury, the Ring of Brodger, and roughly 1,300 other stone circles and henges spread across France, Germany, and the UK. The stones of Stonehenge are made from two types of rock: massive silica-rich sandstone sarsens and smaller blue volcanic rock known as bluestones. What makes this so fascinating is that the bluestones, weighing up to 4 tons, came from Wales, or specifically the Preseli Mountains, which is over 140 miles away. Imagine trying to move something that heavy across rugged terrain without modern machinery. Early historians offered wild theories, from giants moving the stones to the wizard Merlin using magic to fly them in. Some even think aliens were involved. But today, researchers believe these stones were transported over a period of hundreds of years using huge wooden rollers and rafts. Once at the site, workers likely used ramps, pulleys, and levers to position them precisely, creating the symmetrical formation we see today. What's truly astounding is how the builders engineered the stones to fit seamlessly together, forming concentric circles. The monument is aligned with an axis that runs from southwest to northeast, showcasing the builder's sophisticated understanding of design and possibly even astronomy. Even as the methods of construction come into clearer focus, the bigger question remains: why did they build it? For centuries, people have debated its origins and purpose. Was it a temple, a burial ground, an astronomical observatory? One early theory by Inigo Jones, an architect who researched the site in the 1620s, proposed that the Romans built Stonehenge. Others argued that it was a religious site created by the Druids, an ancient Celtic religious group. However, modern carbon dating debunked the Druid theory, revealing that Stonehenge predates their arrival by thousands of years. So, what was it used for? One theory suggests that it was primarily a burial site, with recent discoveries indicating that burials took place there for far longer than previously thought. But other scholars have pointed to its unique acoustics, where sounds echo off the stones like a concert hall, or its astronomical features. The stones align with the rising midsummer sun and the setting midwinter sun, leading some to believe it was a solar temple, a calendar, or even a Neolithic observatory that tracked the movements of the stars and sun. Could it have been an ancient solar calendar, or perhaps some kind of early astronomical observatory? If you're curious about Stonehenge's unsolved mysteries, or want to dive deeper into its bizarre acoustics or celestial alignments, visit the resources below to learn more. Advancements in scientific techniques like radiocarbon dating and DNA analysis are giving us clearer insights into the people who built and used Stonehenge. We now know that the site's construction spanned centuries, and new studies are helping to unravel who these ancient builders were and why they went to such great lengths to build this monument. But despite all this progress, the purpose of Stonehenge remains elusive. Over 1 million visitors make the pilgrimage to the site each year, including festival goers and modern-day Druids who celebrate the summer and winter solstices there. Even today, Stonehenge serves as a place for people to gather, contemplate, and wonder. In addition to its engineering feats, Stonehenge has left an indelible mark on human history. The annual gatherings for solstice celebrations harken back to the monument's possible role as a solar temple, but beyond its spiritual and ceremonial uses, the monument remains a testament to the ingenuity and determination of ancient peoples. By around 1500 BCE, Stonehenge's influence began to wane, and the site eventually fell out of use. Yet, its legacy lives on, not only through scientific research, but also in popular culture. Over the centuries, theories about its purpose, from some kind of Neolithic astronomical computer to an ancient burial ground, have kept Stonehenge at the forefront of historical inquiry. In the end, as science advances, we may one day unlock more secrets of Stonehenge and others like it. But for now, it stands as one of the most captivating mysteries of our shared human history.